This tutorial is about blurb modules. We're going to add a blurb module by hitting on the little plus icon here. It's going to add a box where we're going to be able to choose the module that we're looking for. Here blurb is right at the top, but you could add it in here and then it would give you an alphabetical search. Clicking on the blurb module, we can add a title, we can put whatever we like, so let's call this graphic. We can add a little bit of content here. This is about graphics. The next field you might be looking for is you could add an image or you could choose to add an icon. So if you're wanting to add an image, you click on the images, you go and add an image, or if you're looking for an icon, you would be needing to click over on this Use Icon module. Divi is now including various different kinds of icons, not just their own. They're adding Font Awesome, so there is an enormous number of favicons that you can choose, or icons that you can choose. You can plug in here what you might like to use, so let's go for something like I'm going to use a pen, and then it will give you some options for what it thinks you might like to use. So I'm going to pick this one here, a little bit different. And then we will have some, you can see here that it's been added to the center and the type is still ranged to the left. So in the design area here, you would select how you want your image to look. You can choose the color, you can choose the background image of that module if you want to, the image if you want to, the icon, and you can place it to the left or to the top. You can see here that it dramatically changes the size by adding it to the left. If you wanted to change the size of that, you can use the image icon width options here. You may need to change those for various devices, and you do that by clicking on this little icon here, which will give you the desktop view, the tablet view, and the mobile view. Other things you might choose to do with this is you may prefer to leave it in the center. So instead of having it on the left, you might pick it to be in the center, in which case, is it going to go center? Center, sorry, top. So that will make it centered. And if you decide that you want all your text to be in the center, obviously it's going to look very weird if you just poke it out the side here. So what we'd be doing here is going down to find where we have the text and heading information, so the title text and the body text. We want those to be centered. We can usually do that using text information and overriding it by going center. And there you go, it centered that for you. If there's anything else you'd like to know about this module, let me know. So obviously when you go out of that, you tick the green thing to save the changes, and then you press the save button as usual. And then once you exit, were you ready to finish up? You exit the visual builder. And then you'll see that we have a nice little graphic organised there. Thanks very much. If you'd like to hear of any other tutorials, if there's anything else you'd like to know about, just let us know. Bye.